I'm Zoe Tsorocletus from Tuku, Tech You Can Use. Visit us online at www.tuku.ca. Today we're going to do a video on meetup.com, how to be an organizer. We have already covered group tools, group settings, and we've covered the basic info, your members, topics, privacy, and appearance. Now for the venues, we're actually going to go into the calendar and we're going to create an event, and that's where we'll enter some venues. So let's get started. We'll go to Meetups, we'll go to our calendar, and as an example, we're just going to click on a date. So let's say we want to create a networking event for the 15th of this month. Any day that you hover over, you'll have the option to schedule a meetup on this date. So we'll click on that icon. All right, give your meetup a name. All right, so mine is a business networking group, and I'm going to call this particular meetup Networking After 5. I'm going to schedule it for 5:30 p.m. on April the 15th. Okay, so you're just using these drop-down options here to enter your date and time as you wish. And then you're going to pop over to this text box and go ahead and enter any pertinent information about your meetup event. So things you might want to include: date, location, time, perhaps maybe some information on the cost or how to register. Perhaps you should also include some information on who should attend, so that anyone that's reading your meetup might know if it's a suitable fit for them or not. And those are just some suggestions. You're welcome to type in anything at all. And as we covered in a previous video, you can use these icons to format your content. So it's just as simple as highlighting something and clicking on the bold icon. So that'll bold the text as you highlighted it. But that is covered in a different video, so please look for that. We're going to continue on. Once you've added all of your content into your text box, you can choose to upload a different image than your basic group sort of icon photo. So let's do upload a new photo. We have the option to browse our computer. I have got, let's see here. Don't really have any new photos for you, so we'll just pretend that this is a different photo. And you don't have to do anything else other than browse and upload a photo. Once you click your save at the bottom, which we'll get to shortly, the new photo will be uploaded. So who's hosting this meetup? Well, I'm hosting it because I'm the organizer, but as we covered in a previous video, a group may have multiple co-organizers. If that is the case, all of their names will show up here, and you can choose who's going to be the host for that event. You can leave instructions for your event host. So if one of your co-organizers is responsible for that meeting and you would like them to collect email addresses of all the attendees, you can type that in here. There you go. Now, as we go down, we have some additional options available. So do you want to automatically repeat this meetup? In this case, it's not repeating because this isn't a recurring event. If you wanted it to be, you could recur it by week or by month. And this just saves you the hassle of having to go in and recreate the same type of meetup. So if you're going to be meeting every week on Wednesday at 5:30 p.m., then you can go ahead and click by week, and Meetup will automatically populate your calendar with the recurring meetups. But this doesn't apply to us, so we're going to stick with not repeating. Where is it? Well, you want to add a venue, but we're out of time on this video. So stay tuned for the next video on how to add an event in your Meetup calendar. And if you have any questions about an easy edit website, meetup.com, computer support for your business, including networks, servers, or IP telephony, please visit us online at www.tuku.ca. That's tucu.ca.